Get ready for a celestial surprise. NASA has revealed a potential game-changer for our lunar neighbor. The Moon, our faithful companion, might be in for a rocky encounter. For most of us, the Moon is a constant, a gentle giant keeping watch over our planet. But here's where it gets controversial. NASA scientists have spotted an asteroid on a collision course with the Moon. And this is the part most people miss: it's not just a passing rock, it's a real threat with serious implications. The James Webb Space Telescope, a powerhouse of modern astronomy, has been instrumental in this discovery. It's like having a superpowered pair of eyes, allowing us to see what was once invisible. With its help, we've identified an asteroid, 2024 YR4, with a diameter of 53 to 67 meters, which is no small feat in the vastness of space. Initially, this asteroid caused quite a stir as it had the highest probability ever recorded for a large asteroid to impact Earth. But, thankfully, further calculations showed Earth was safe, and the Moon became the potential target. So, what does this mean for us and our cosmic neighbor? Astronomer Pawan Kumar puts it simply: it won't be a cause for concern. Any debris from the impact would burn up in Earth's atmosphere, leaving our planet unscathed. The real impact, pun intended, would be on the Moon, creating a new crater and a potential light show for stargazers. For NASA and scientists, this is an exciting opportunity. It's like a front-row seat to a natural experiment, allowing them to study the behavior and effects of an impact in real time. Imagine the insights we could gain. The discovery of 2024 YR4 has been a valuable training ground for NASA's planetary defense systems. It showcases their ability to identify and respond to cosmic threats swiftly. And with the asteroid's return in 2028, astronomers will have a chance to study its composition and behavior, further enhancing our understanding of asteroids. So, while this asteroid might not be an immediate threat, it's a reminder of the dynamic nature of our universe. It's a story of preparation, scientific curiosity, and the ongoing quest to protect our planet. And who knows, maybe this event will spark some fascinating discussions and theories among space enthusiasts and scientists alike. What are your thoughts on this potential lunar impact? Do you think it's a cause for concern, or an exciting opportunity for scientific discovery? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.